Hello, beautiful. In this video, I will share my flawless in 5 minutes makeup routine and the clean beauty products I use to achieve it. Okay, here is an opportunity for transparency. How many of you, after turning 45, or maybe even earlier, began to grow chin whiskers? If this is not an issue you have, you ought to stop this video right now and give God some praise because you are truly blessed. Okay, all joking aside, let us begin. My first product I use is my Beauty Counter Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer. It's lightweight and packed with glow boosting ingredients. The Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer really helps to just even out my skin tone with the sheer coverage. It has a mineral SPF 20 protection and its dewy and radiant finish is everything. It comes in 6 blendable shades that work with diverse skin tones, so it's really flexible. I also at times will use my Skin Twin Featherweight Foundation when I want more coverage or a more polished look. This foundation is more creamy, it's still lightweight, easy to use, but it has buildable light to medium coverage with a flawless and still natural looking finish. This one comes in also 18 shades that are also flawlessly blendable for all skin tones. Both of these foundations, what I love about them is that they are hybrid foundations. That means they offer you not only flawless coverage, but they have skin care benefits as well. So both of these foundations do have anti-aging benefits to them also. When applying my foundation, I pump 1 pump of foundation into the palm of my hand, and then I use my foundation brush to evenly apply and blend the foundation with ease. This brush is made with animal-free, artistry quality Takalon bristles, so it really just evens the product onto my skin, blending it out flawlessly and giving me a great coverage. Next, I apply my Skin Twin Creamy Concealer, and immediately it conceals the appearances of my under eye circles and darkness and imperfections that's on my face. It makes my under eyes brighter and smoother, and my skin instantly looks smooth all day long. It is weightless, which is one of my favorite attributes, and it doesn't crease or settle into the fine lines of my eyes. In addition, this is also a hybrid concealer, so it provides skincare benefits as well by reducing the appearance of visible fine lines and wrinkles. I apply this concealer with the applicator that it comes with, and then I will blend it with my finger because I prefer to use my finger because of my body heat. And the warmth of my finger tends to blend it the best, in my opinion. shape my brows with the Color Define brow pencil in medium. This pencil is really awesome. It has a brush on one end and it's really nice and soft, so I can really reshape my brows by just going outside of the natural shape of my brows. I use a very light touch as not to create my brows too stark and giving them a very natural look. And so I'm just simply going on the perimeter of my natural brow hair to give it the shape that I desire. A key tip with brow shaping, especially for anti-aging, is to never go beyond the corner of your eye, and definitely to bring the brow out and upward and not down in that outer corner of the eye, which causes the outer eye to look weighed down and droopy opposed to awake and bright. Once I have perfected my brow shape, I will then go in with my Brilliant Brow Gel, which really helps to soften the brow a little bit more. Because I bleach my hair, I like my brows to be very soft and as natural looking as possible. And so I'll use this brow gel to just soften the color of my brows down a little bit. And it also is really great for covering those random gray hairs that pop up in your brow. So it kind of colors them in, tints them, so to speak. Next, I will add Satin Powder Blush to the apples of my cheek. And this really helps to give you a youthful glow. If you look at children, you will notice that through the center of their cheeks is a little bit of rosiness. So this just brings a little bit of youthfulness to my overall look. Last is my favorite, a pop of color to brighten my day. I apply my Give 'em Lip Color Intense lipstick in Vibrant Red. It's creamy, it's long wearing, and this formula moisturizes my lips and helps it to feel soft and smooth. It's never dry or uncomfortable. And its natural peppermint oil delivers this subtle, refreshing flavor. The Give 'em Lip colors come in 3 fabulous shades that's great for all skin tones. And voila! There you have it, flawless in 5 minutes, before and after. I believe after the age of 40, less is best. This simple makeup application makes me look youthful and glowing. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll also share the links to the products I used. One more thing before you go, can you please help us by texting Better Beauty to your member of Congress, asking them to support cosmetic reform to protect the health of everyone. Currently, the U.S. has not passed a major federal law governing the cosmetic industry since 1938. That's over 80 years ago. The European Union has banned or restricted 1,400 ingredients from personal care products. The United States has banned or restricted only 30. And to us, that is simply not good enough. This is bigger than lipstick. It's a giant step towards safety in beauty. Thank you for adding your voice to the Better Beauty